Hi everyone. In this video, I would like to discuss about one of the key features that we have in NotebookLM Studio, which is mind map. Okay, mind map. This is also one of the key features that you can use in NotebookLM. So with the help of mind map, you can generate an AI mind map based on your sources. So once you upload all the sources, at any point in time, if you want to create mind map because you are a visual learner and you want to see the flow of information, then you can create a mind map. So all you need to do is select the sources first, select all the sources that you need mind map for, and click on mind map. So once you click on mind map, it is going to create a mind map. See, it says generating mind map based on 7 sources. So it depends upon the number of sources that you select from here. If you select one source, it says it is going to say it is generating mind map from one source. But if you select all the sources, then it is going to say it is generating from 7 sources or 10 sources or whatever, how many number of sources that you have in NotebookLM. So if you see now, mind map has been generated. So I'm going to click on it and see how it goes. So if you see now, a beautiful mind map has been generated. So all you need to do is put your cursor and scroll it to the right. So once you scroll it to the right, if you see self-improvement and human understanding, we have atomic habits, we have deep work, we have how to win friends and influence people, we have the 4 agreements, and we also have a source about a notebook about Fyodor Dostoevsky. So these are the important branches from the main tree. So let's consider this as the tree and these are the branches. So if you are a visual learner and if you want to go to each and every topic step by step, then you can go. So now I'm curious about atomic habits. All you need to do is click on atomic habits and it will take you to the next screen. So if you see now, it shows the next screen. So click on this arrow icon here and it will show this. It will show this. If you click on this zoom in icon, it is going to make it big. It is going to make it big. So this is the main tree. These are the branches under the main tree. So under atomic habits, you have power of atomic habits, habits versus goals, compound effects, principles of habits. So you are interested to learn about compounding effects. So click on it and it is going to generate all information about compounding effects here. So you can go through all the details here and make a note of it. At any point in time, if you want to go to the next one, all you need to do is click on these 2 arrows here and maximize it, expand the node, and now from compound effects you see positive compounding, negative compounding, stress compounds, knowledge compounds, negative thoughts, relationships compound. So if you are interested about, let's say, knowledge compounds, so you click on it and it is going to open all the information about knowledge compounds in NotebookLM. So it is going to share, it is going to open all the details so that you can make a note of it, you can learn from it, and at any point in time if you want to proceed further, click on these threes, you can click on these 2 little arrows and you can maximize it. See, and it is going to show all other topics as well like this. And if you want to go back to the main topic, self improvement and human understanding, go back, click on it, and it is going to create information about the main topic as well. So this way you are learning step by step. You are learning step by step and you are a visual learner, and with the help of mind maps you can track your process. You can track your process. So let's say for example you are done with atomic habits. Now now you want to learn about how to win friends and influence people. So you click on it and it is going to take you to that particular screen. See? 6 ways to make people like you, how to win people to your way of thinking about this book. So let's say you are interested about this topic. So click on it. It is going to give more details about that particular topic here. So you can make a note of it. If you want to add notes, you can add notes. If you want to add notes, you can add notes. Or if you want to move to the next one, you can also move to the next one. So this way you are learning information using mind maps. So some people really like to learn, from visual diagrams or pictures. So in this way you can learn easily. And at any point in time, if you want to download this particular mind map, if you want to download this picture or mind map onto your computer, all you need to do is click on download, and it is going to download that file onto your computer. And you can click on the file, and it is going to open the file on your computer. See, this file has been downloaded onto the computer and I have opened the picture. Alright, I really hope you find this information helpful. Thank you very much for watching. I will catch you in the next video. Bye bye.